In this video, I'll run through how to choose the right option in your exam when asked to choose the appropriate contraception. This can be a daunting task because all of them may seem right, but don't worry, after this video you'll have a clear understanding of what to look out for. So let's look at the common options they give: the Mirena, the COCP, the progesterone injection, also known as Diproprivera, and the Implanon. Now let's look at what the cues are for each type. Mirena is the IUD of choice in sexually active females over 20. It is important that they should be able to check for the threads themselves. It is also important to note that this is first-line treatment for heavy and painful periods in sexually active females. The COCP is for patients under 20 years old. If the question mentions sickle cell anemia, then the right option is the Diproprivera. You can also note that if the patient is breastfeeding and they want a pill, then the progesterone pill is better than the combined pill. Lastly, if the patient has learning difficulties, then the right option is the Implanon. This quick, clear video should give you a better understanding of how to answer the questions going forward. For further discussion on the types of contraceptions to know for the PLAB, then click on the link in this video or down below. If you liked the video, then click the like button, subscribe and leave a comment below for more topics.